welcome back to the Vintage Vixen. I am Sam, and I know it has been a hot minute since I have made a video. Life has just been so crazy, and I know I said this the last time I made a video, but it has not slowed down. Some of you know I work at a historic site museum, and as the weather gets nicer and we get into summer, we're getting into our busy season, so work has been pretty crazy. On top of that, I am doing hair for a theater production about an hour away from where I live. A friend of mine is directing it, and he wanted some vintage style hair for the ladies. So last weekend was opening weekend, and then they have one more weekend of performances starting tomorrow. So between work and that, I have not been home. And when I have been home, I have not felt like sitting down in front of the camera. I have just wanted to lounge around in sweatpants and hang out with my husband and my dog. So it's been a while. That being said, I did get some exciting things in the mail this week, and I wanted to do a review. That's right. The Agent Carter collection from Besame was officially released. They actually did the release a few days early as a nice little surprise, so I immediately went on their website and purchased the rest of the items in the collection. As you know, I did get the Field Agent lip set, which is currently sold out on their website, so I had to get the other pieces to complete my Agent Carter collection. So I'm going to do a little review today. I am wearing the some of the eyeshadows from the palette, as well as the Sweet Dreams lipstick, which is their red velvet. I got this in the lip kit. They were also selling individuals of these as part of the collection, but these are also sold out on their website. So you could probably just buy the regular red velvet if you don't care about the packaging and just really love the color. Otherwise, this and the lip kit are sold out. Sorry about it. So that being said, let me show you what I got. First of all, this came in the package. I am always blown away, as I said on my Instagram post. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go and do that. The link is down below. I said on my Instagram post, I'm always blown away by their attention to detail and their packaging. And like I said in my previous review, it just feels like a luxury experience to order from Besame. So everything came wrapped nicely, much nicer than I have wrapped it, in this red tissue paper. I kind of wrapped it back up just so I could show you. It also came with a special Agent Carter edition of the Besame Bugle. I did see online that these are limited quantity, so order quick and you might still be able to get one. I don't know if they've totally run out of these yet, but I did see that they were limited, so they might not come in every package depending on if there are any left. But it talks about the collection. On the back, they have some information on how you can do Peggy's iconic look. They actually give you some history about her red hat, which is pretty neat, and just some other information about the collection. So I love that. I think that is so cool, and I'm glad that I ordered early enough to get one of these. So I got the Passport Shadow Palette and the Invisible Dusting Powder. Now, I don't normally wear foundation, so I didn't really have a use for the powder, but I really wanted to get everything from this collection, so I actually put foundation on today so that I could use this Invisible Dusting Powder and review it. So let's take a look first. You can see the packaging. They have her outline, her silhouette with the SSR logo. On the back, they have all of the colors. Same thing on this one, silhouette, Peggy's silhouette and the SSR logo. And then on the back, it has like a diagram of the tech, which is the dusting powder. So that's pretty cool. So let's look at the eyeshadow palette first. I really want to be careful with this packaging. I don't want to ruin it. Okay. So here it is. I am really impressed with this packaging, guys. This is just high quality, heavy duty, really, really nice palette, and it looks like a British passport, and it has Peggy's name on the top, and then on the back, just the usual information. So inside, it comes with a mirror, and then it looks like a passport. You can see it's got Peggy's information there, and then on the other side are all of the beautiful eyeshadows. So let me take the plastic off. So the colors are Dugan, Zero Matter, English, Allies, Leviathan, and Midnight Oil. I have used English, Zero Matter, and Allies, and Midnight Oil. I have not yet used Dugan or Leviathan, so I'm excited to try those. I love this shade, this sort of deep reddish maroon type color. It's just gorgeous. And I also love English, that dusty rose color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm impressed with the shadows. They are pretty pigmented. Not a lot of fallout when I use them. 4 of these shadows are shimmer. That's Dugan, Zero Matter. English has a little bit of shimmer. It's not too much. And Allies. And then Leviathan and Midnight Oil are pretty matte. So you get a nice mix of colors. Zero Matter makes an amazing highlight. The Besame Bugle little tutorial about doing the makeup look also suggested using it as a cheek highlighter, which I did not do, but it does look really nice on the eyes as a highlighter. So I'm going to show you what I did. I've been wearing this makeup all day, so it is really hot here today. It's in the 80s for the first time, so it's not as fresh as it looked this morning, but I have English Rose over the entire lid. I have Zero Matter in the corner, Midnight Oil in the crease. I did a little bit of Allies on the outer edge of the lid, but it ended up getting covered by my eyeliner, so you can't tell. And then I did Zero Matter as a brow bone highlight. So really, really nice. I like this look a lot, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the eyeshadows. I will be doing some tutorials for looks with this sometime in the near future, as soon as my life calms down a little bit. This retails for $36. It's a really good deal. You get 6 eyeshadows, so that's like $6 a shadow if you're doing the math. And it comes in this really cool packaging, and it's a special limited edition, so you really can't go wrong. Now on to the invisible dusting powder. I really like how this opens. It has a little slide, and then it has the compact right inside. So let me take that out. So this is actually really light. I expected it to be heavier. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It just was something that I noticed, different from what I was expecting. On the front it has the SSR logo, and that is a 3D piece, and it's just really pretty. It looks really nice. And then on the back it has the Marvel logo and Agent Carter 1946 collection. Inside you get this, let me turn this on, a mirror with a decoder on it. So that is the decoder part of this item. It comes with a little poof, well, it's more like a sponge, but it's nice gold on the back. It says Besame. And then here is the powder. So as I said, I'm not really a foundation person, but I did wear foundation today so that I could try out this invisible powder. It's really nice, it's light, it didn't make my face feel cakey or dry, and my foundation stayed put all day. I don't do like contouring, concealing, highlighting, all that kind of stuff. I just put on my foundation, put this over top, and added a little bit of blush. I am going to try to wear foundation a little bit more and use this a bit more, so we will see, but I really like it. It's beautiful. It's gonna look really nice on my vanity, and I had to get it because it was Agent Carter. The powder is $35 on Besame's website, and the great thing about ordering on their site is that anything over $30 gets free shipping. So even if you just buy this, or if you just buy the eyeshadow, you're automatically gonna get free shipping. So that really sweetens the deal for me personally. So yeah, that is the Agent Carter 1946 collection from Besame Cosmetics. I already did a review of the Field Agent Lip Kit, which I will link down below. I talk about the 3 lipsticks. That includes Sweet Dreams, the red velvet color, which is Peggy's signature lip color. So please go check that out as well. If you are thinking about ordering any of these items, I highly suggest that you do it quickly. As I said, the Field Agent Lip Kit and the individual of the Sweet Dreams lipstick is already sold out on their website. So definitely head on over and put that stuff in your cart, girl. I think it's well worth the money, as always, and you get some super high quality and beautiful makeup. Plus, who doesn't love Agent Carter? So that is it for me. I'm hoping to get back into a more regular filming schedule. I was trying to do every weekend. Once this show is over, life will slow down a little bit. I have a April favorites video planned. I have not forgotten about my Divine Palette tutorial series, and now I'm also going to do some makeup tutorials with this. So I have some exciting things planned coming up. I'm also going to be going down to Long Island on Memorial Day weekend with Joe to visit his dad, so I think I will do a vlog while we are down there. I want to hit up some of their antique stores and do a little bit of vintage hunting while we're there. So thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I really appreciate all of your support. You have no idea. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Whether you've just found my channel or you have subscribed since the beginning, I really appreciate it. I can't believe I have 100 subscribers. When I started this channel, I was kind of doing it for myself. I had no idea what to expect, and the fact that there are at least 100 of you that enjoy watching my insanity on camera makes me feel so special. So thanks so much. That is it for me, guys. It's a beautiful day here in upstate New York. It's in the 80s, so I think I'm gonna take the dog and go out in the backyard with my book and my refreshment and enjoy the late afternoon sunshine and soak up that nice warm weather after the long cold winter we've had here. I will see you next time. Bye.